the following. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. We know that root 3 value 1.732. Okay? Right. Now, initially, there is a point on the ground A from which a jet plane has been observed at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. Okay. After the plane's travels for 15 seconds, the angle of elevation has been changed to 30 degrees. Okay. The jet plane is at the constant height of 15 root 3, 15 into root 3 meters. We need to find out the speed of the jet plane. Okay, so initially the jet plane is here. From the point of observation, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, so initial distance of that particular point on the ground where the jet plane is observed, it is also not given. Okay, so only the height of the plane in its traveling, it is given. So after 15 seconds of traveling also, it is having the same height, 15 into root 3 meters. We need to find out the speed of the jet plane with which it is traveling. Okay, so the jet plane has traveled from this place to this place, in 15 seconds. So we need to find out the distance traveled by the jet plane. What will be the distance traveled by the jet plane? BC, from here to here. Okay, and from the initial position distance to the point, it is also not given actually, but we need this particular point BC, because it after the observation from that point A, it traveled 15 seconds. So in order to find out the speed of the jet plane, we need to find out this particular distance. If we are able to understand this point, our calculation becomes very easy when we use some simple trigonometric ratios. Okay, the angles of elevations after 15 elevation has been changed after 15 seconds. First, it initially it is 60 degrees, next it became 30 degrees. Okay, right. Now here, let the point on the ground be A. Since the airplane is flying at the same height, BE and CD is equal to 1500 into root 3 meters. That is given in the problem. This is the initial stage. The height of the plane is 1500 into root 3 meters. And after 15 seconds also, the same height is there, CD. So 1500 root 3 only. It is given in the problem. Now, we need to find out the speed of the airplane. To find the speed, we need to find the distance traveled in 15 seconds. Okay, so here to here the plane has been traveled. Okay, so we need to find out this distance BC, right? Yes. Now we need to find BC and let it be X. And we know one more point. What is that? Angle ABE and angle BCD are 90 degrees. Okay, because they are just on the ground, straight. Okay, so here this angle B is 90 degrees, angle C is 90 degrees. That means angle ABE is 90 degrees, and angle BCD is also 90 degrees. Okay, right? So now we have two triangles, and triangle ABE, triangle ACD. Okay, both are right angle triangles. Okay, now we are going to take the first angle of elevation 60 degrees, and we are going to find out the distance, initial distance, we can say. Okay, so when we are considering the right angle triangle ABE, tan A is nothing but tan 60, because the initial angle of elevation is 60 degrees only. Okay, so tan A is equal to side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is nothing but the BE. BE is nothing but the height at which the jet plane is there to the ground. Okay, so BE by AB, the initial distance on the ground. Okay, when the angle of elevation is taken, right? So here tan A is equal to BE by AB. So here A is nothing but 60 degrees, the angle of elevation, initial angle of elevation. Tan 60 is equal to BE by AB. But what do we know? Tan 60 is equal to root 3 and BE is equal to 1500 into root 3. That is given in the problem, the height at which the jet plane is there. Okay, so just we are substituting those values. So tan 60 is equal to root 3, that is equal to BE value is 15 into root 1500 into root 3 by AB. So AB is equal to 1500 into root 3 by root 3. So obviously root 3 gets cancelled. AB is equal to 1500 meters, we can say. So that means here the initial distance, on the ground, when we talk with respect to the ground, as we are taking the angle of elevation from the ground only, okay, to the jet plane, right? So AB becomes 1500 meters, but we need BC. Okay, for that, we cannot no calculate it directly. We have to do one more calculation. What is that? Now first we have considered triangle ABE here. Now we are going to consider triangle ADC or ACD. Okay, right now we are considering the right angle triangle ACD now. So with respect to angle triangle ACD, the angle of elevation has been changed because the jet plane has traveled 15 seconds. Okay, so but the height remains constant. That should be kept in mind. Now according to the triangle ACD, tan A, again angle A here becomes 30 degrees because the angle of elevation has been changed here. Okay, so side opposite to angle A is nothing but CD, which is the height of the jet plane from the ground after traveling 15 seconds also. It is same 1500 into root 3 meters. Okay, so tan A is equal to CD by AC. AC this much, this one AC. Okay, so the distance on the ground from the initial point to the current point. Okay, right, AC. So tan 30 is equal to CD by AC. But what do we know? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and BE is equal to, or CD is equal to 1500 into root 3. 1500 root 3. BE is equal to CD because what do we know here? Both the heights are same, it is given. Okay, so here B is equal to CD is equal to 1500 into root 3. So we are substituting in the place of CD, we are substituting BE value because both the heights are same, it is given. So tan 30 is equal to CD by AC or BC by AC. BE by AC, sorry, BE by AC. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 into root 3 by AC. So AC is equal to 1500 into root 3 into root 3. Simplification. When the term is transposed means this root 3 goes here. Okay. So here 1500 root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 obviously becomes 3. So it becomes AC becomes 4500. AC is nothing but the distance from the initial point to the current point where the jet plane is observed vertically top. Okay, right. So AC is equal to 4500 and we have found out AB. But here it is clearly visible. AC is nothing but AB plus BC. It is clearly visible based on the traveling, the journey of the jet plane. Okay, right. So AC is equal to AB plus BC. BC is equal to AC minus AB. That's what we need. Actually, we need to find out the value of BC. That means the actual distance traveled by the jet plane in 15 seconds. Okay, right. BC is equal to AC minus AB. So we know AB is equal to 1500 and AC is equal to 4500. We have found it out by using the angle of elevations here, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay. Now AC is equal to 4500. So obviously BC becomes 4500 minus 1500, that is equal to 3000. As it is the distance traveled by the airplane in 15 seconds. So, hence the distance traveled by the airplane in 15 seconds is nothing but 3000 meters. Okay, actually we need this one only, but we cannot find out the BC directly. We have to find the initial distance and the actual distance, the current distance, and the distance traveled by the jet plane. Okay, right now. So we know what is speed. Speed is nothing but distance traveled by time. So now we are going to find out the speed of the airplane, because we are able to find out the distance traveled by the jet plane as well as the time is given in the problem, that is 15 seconds. Okay, so distance traveled in 15 seconds by time. Okay, so it is nothing but 3000 by 15. So by simplification, what will we get? 200. 3000 by 15 is nothing but 200. Okay, so 200 meters per second. The speed of the airplane is 200 meters per second. Okay, finally we are able to find the speed of the jet plane, which traveled some distance in 15 seconds but maintaining the same height when compared to the ground, when we are observing from the ground, that is nothing but 1500 into root 3 meters. Okay, as it is maintaining the same height, we are able to find out the distance traveled first. Further, we are able to find the speed of the jet plane, which is 200 meters per second. Okay, right. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.